Hi, I am Naveen Kumar A. My presentation is about addressing modes and its types. First, we'll see what is addressing modes and then its types. Addressing modes it specifies the location of an operand in an instructions or called addressing modes. The operation field of an instruction specifies the operation to be performed. This operation will be executed on some data which is stored in computer register or the main memory. The purpose of using the addressing modes is to give the programming versatility to the user to reduce the number of bits in addressing fields of instructions. Next, we'll see the types of addressing modes: implied or implicit addressing mode, stack addressing mode, immediate addressing mode, direct addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, register direct addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, relative addressing mode, indexed addressing mode, base register addressing mode, auto increment and auto decrement addressing mode. First, we'll see implied addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the instruction itself specifies the operands implicitly. It is also called as implicit addressing mode. Example: CM. CM means the complement accumulator is an implied mode instruction. Next, immediate addressing mode. The operand is specified in the instruction explicitly. Example: add 10 will increment the value stored in the accumulator by 10. Next, direct addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the address field of the instruction contains the effective address of the operand. Only one reference to the memory is required to fetch the operand. Example: add x that will increment the value stored in the accumulator by the value stored at memory location x. Next, indirect addressing mode. This addressing mode, the address field of the instruction specifies the address of memory location that contains the effective address of the operand. Example: add x that will increment the value stored in the accumulator by the value stored at memory location specified by x. Register direct addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the operand is contained in a register set. The address field of the instruction refers to a CPU register that contains the operand. No reference to memory is required to fetch the operand. Example: add r will increment value stored in the accumulator by the content of register r. Register indirect addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the address field of the instruction refers to a CPU register that contains the effective address of the operand. Example: add r will increment the value stored in the accumulator by the content of memory location specified in register r. Next, relative addressing mode. This addressing mode, effective address of the operand is obtained by adding the content of program counter with the address part of the instruction. Next, indexed addressing mode. In this addressing mode, effective address of the operand is obtained by adding the content of index register with the address part of the instruction. Effective address equals content of index register plus address part of the instruction. Next, base register. In this addressing mode, effective address of the operand is obtained by adding the content of base register with the address part of the instruction. Auto increment addressing mode. In this addressing mode, after accessing the operand, the content of the register is automatically incremented by step size d. The step size d depends on the size of the operand accessed. Only one reference to memory is required to fetch the operand. Thank you.